Well, howdy. Oh, boys and girls, do we have a phenomenal day of starting on the Evo. It's a very busy week in the Machen garage. So, started pulling everything out. I got the battery tray. I'm probably gonna be ditching these cables because, well, I don't really like them. I don't think there's any cooling in here, to be honest with you. Yeah, there's like no cooling in here. So we're gonna start draining all the fluids, taking all the piping off first, take the headlights off, gonna be trashing them. I have to figure out how I'm gonna do this in a garage because I don't have much space. I gotta pull the hood off because that's gonna go upstairs in my house. A lot of this stuff is gonna be gone. I'm not gonna be using it anymore. You can see my battery's been like eating away at this pipe. So a very busy and dusty build. This car's got to go to the body shop. I want to have this stuff out in a week, so I may be slacking on working out and just focusing mostly on this because we do lose daylight a lot sooner now. I'm gonna prop you guys up as best as possible and I'm gonna start removing everything. Okay, a little bit of progress. I didn't pick up the camera because I was kind of in the way of everything. Also, I don't have a tripod, but all the cooling stuff is out. Got the radiator out. Was going to reuse that, but this thing is pretty roached, so I'll probably just go ahead and get a new one. Working on a turbo right now. I'm going to take the whole thing off as one piece. I think I have everything off. I'm going to go through one more time, but I'm just going to take the whole manifold turbo, that O2 housing dump, the elbow, wastegate, everything is coming off as one piece. Okay, so my camera actually cut out while I was like mid pulling everything out, and I didn't feel like stopping because I was hunched over and I'm old, my back hurts. But here's where we kind of stand. Have this entire parts barrel bin, which is not even in a bin, it's just there. Everything's kind of out. Honestly, these cars aren't that difficult to work with. I do have to start unplugging the harness. Once the harness is unplugged, I think everything just goes there, over here. I don't know. Okay, AC condenser all out. As you can see, this thing was pretty beat up. This thing is completely bent. I want to say it pulls this down as well. It looks like it was repaired once before. Pinch wells are shot, absolutely shot. Fenders kind of shot. I'm looking for fenders. Anyway, let's continue with the motor. Still have to kind of pull the harness off. Gotta undo it from here. There's a little zip tie holding it on over here, and like I said, I gotta pull this line off, and then after that I should be good. I just need something to really lift the car up, because I'm gonna drop everything out as one, pull the axles out later. Let me give you guys another update. AC pulled, removed. Power steering line pulled, removed. Oil cooler pulled, removed. Garbage. Oil's drained, T-case is drained, transmission is drained, coolant's drained.
Meanwhile.
Okay, as per usual, your boy forgot to pick up the camera. So I pretty much have all the bolts except for this one and these three, so the motor mounts are still there. Right now I'm getting everything positioned and I'm going to drop the whole car onto everything. I don't care if the dust shields and everything hit the ground and everything comes up. My main concern is getting this and TK secure. Once I can secure those are gonna be the biggest issues, and then I have to figure out how to get them out of the car, which is not that bad because this is gonna be a lot lighter without obviously all this weight. All that weight just gonna be on the ground. Yeah, so that's where we stand right now. My phone's ringing off the hook right now. Yeah, I'm gonna prop you guys up somewhere, probably right here, and kind of go from there. If I make a fool of myself, cool, I'll probably still post it. Oh shit, this thing's in a little break. No support anyway. Alright, so it's actually going a lot better than I thought it was gonna go. Everything looks to be unplugged. I think the big issue will be the steering rack, because that will just slide straight down. It's loose. I don't know if it's coming out underneath there because I haven't really gotten the car up high enough. Problem is as I'm jacking it up, it's bending the core support. I don't know if the core support was bent previously. It probably was. But right now the frame of it and everything is up on jack stands. I have to figure out how I'm going to actually lift this up. I could probably get a bunch of strong ass people and lift the front end. I have to figure out how I'm going to do this. Let me go back and research. I really don't want to buy an engine hoist because I just sold mine and it was perfectly working. This is going to be tough. It's going to be really, really tough. Let me come back to you guys, and once I figure out a game plan, we'll go from there, because I really don't want to keep jacking it up on a core support because it is starting to flex a little bit. I think, I don't know, it's probably flexed from the start, but I'm going to do a little homework and then I'll come back and relay whatever I learned. Excuse my pastiness. So I have a game plan. So in theory, I don't know if this is going to work. First of all, I'm looking at the drivetrain and all the dollies are leaning over. Whatever, don't care. In theory, I borrowed these, borrowed those. Jack can reach the frame now. I have to get this up, if you look, maybe I'd say about 5 or 6 inches. So it's probably about 2 or 3 clicks off of these, and it should lift it up high enough. If not, I can always move these back and it should jack the car up even higher. And then I just have to really just wheel this stuff out, and I'm gonna wheel it over to here. I've been cleaning out a spot real quick before I do anything. And then, yeah, that should be it. And then I'll probably just leave it up on the stands for now until I can start dismantling everything. Get the motor off, get the transmission off, get the T-case off. But for now, we're gonna see if this works. Well, what do you think, boys? I think we're kind of on the money on there. These things aren't even maxed out. I think there's still like 3 or 4 clicks left on them. Yeah, that actually worked out a lot better than I thought. Now, let's try and get this out of here. Unfortunately, all my dollies look like this. They're all two-wheeling it everywhere except for this one. But I'm gonna start cleaning up a little bit, get rid of a lot of this shit that I don't need, and then come back and we'll move this bitch out. Okay, so I don't know how much I caught of me actually getting the car up and over or what, but I'm gonna end the video here. I'll give you guys a quick little view and a recap of how we sit. So, don't mind it, it's dark outside, close the garage. Yeah, we're money with pulling it out. I just gotta figure out how to get it out. I was trying to pull it and it wasn't really moving too much, so yeah, I first see this stuff falling off the dollies, but whatever. If it falls off the dollies, I can still drag it out. In the next video, I am going to be dismantling everything, which probably is going to start this week. The dismantle is probably going to be over the course of a week, and the main reason being is because, well, I work till almost 5, so I don't have much time after work. I also really need to hire a camera person or have someone film for me, because I always forget to pick the camera up and I miss a lot of stuff, and I do apologize because I'm trying. I'm a one-man show with no tripod because I broke it. Anywho, I need each and every single one of you. Stay hungry, stay humble, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, that's all I got. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others.